Let me show you how to cook perfect water spinach without the mess of stir frying. This method keeps every stem crisp and every leaf flavorful with zero oil splatter and no heavy glaze. Forget everything you know about cooking greens. Start with a cold pan. Add your washed water spinach directly without heating. The sauce is simple but powerful. 1 spoon of rice wine for saltiness, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for depth, and 2 generous spoons of garlic infused oil that will perfume the entire dish. Cover and set to medium-low heat. Walk away for exactly 3 minutes. While the steam works its magic, no stirring, no flipping, no watching for hot oil spots on your ends. When you lift the lid, you will find perfectly cooked greens. Stems stay crisp, leaves just wilted enough to absorb all that garlicky goodness. A quick toast is all it needs before serving. This isn't just cooking, it's liberation. From the stove, you will get better texture than stir frying, more flavor than boiling, and none of the usual mess. The garlic oil creates this incredible sauce that clings to every groove and carve off the spinach.